Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri kuririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka yibwate emixer yibwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye ochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayenora wekirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Tariki 30 neyemo mutinyo gatatu kabwechiri bubere 25 ejumatatu ya omwero nabo igorita ariri mutinyo yigo gatatu omwaka oyiga o 2025 ekine Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera yobonge nchengatere Nyaboga Wilson makuru cross umona wo imanyero habira kariri na rakoneka buna chibiche chiga na Mario ingo kerachire asenchera ere yobokera nukabana into weka omwero nyegati yari abere gakwenekiwa kurwa imina isko yorogongo rwa Kisii. Natogo chaka nigo muwaziri woborendi boime muske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen aya akururege kurege tindi anane mono gocha saba ingi na boigo amarwa aba ingi na boigo abaone ba marwa yogo tindi ayo asarire na boigo gosiria abasa imeyensi ya Kenya ukwana kurwase kanisa ya AIC ensemo ya makutano county ya Meru nigo muske Kipchumba atebere egati ababasa bari bakurwania abara yasi metando bari bagotumeka amarwa yogo tindi egento kya bairere stress kwekera konyora chando o depression asabona abori abagambi bonsi inse ya Kenya koneke bunangurwane bare eriko kora amwandura yogotinde ase binyoro imeyense
na nasema kwamba tunapambana sana kuhakikisha kwamba na vile Reverend alisema hapa tusaidiane sana kupambana na dawa ya kulevya na mambo ya pombe haramu, na hii yote inaumiza vijana wetu. Let me give you a very stark statistics. Some of the most young people who are actually struggling with managing their social media. I can say this for the country to know, without fear of contradiction. Most of the young people who are writing hateful messages on social media, most of them are struggling with mental health, which has been caused by abuse of drugs and abuse of alcohol. Sometimes, we mtu mkubwa mzima unang'ang'ana, unatafuta hiyo mtu kwa social media, nasema amenitusi, only to go and find this is a extremely destroyed young person. Hata atoki nyumba, ako tu nyumba na simu yake, akitusi leo nani, akiona nani ana trend, akiona nini. We are struggling with mental health, which is occasioned by drugs and alcohol. And I request you, if you know in your neighborhood, mama anapiga chang'aa ile mbaya, mwanabiashara anauza ile pombe haramu, usinyamaze, fichua kwa serikali. That is why unaona government officials are here. Speak to your chief. Na haiwezekani kwamba pombe haramu itaendelea.
Na togotigana nayo magega ya mukonyo mukuru w'umuraibu ensi muskeri gatigashagwa komotia chingwana cyo monene w'abanajeshi umuske generali Charles Kahariri nigo bono igati ose chingwana ichate amochetie igati yabarai nabo igo abane siasa abagote abuna Ruto Mastigo nigo bono igati yabarai anene mono waziri w'oborindu boime umuske Kipchumba Murkomen nabo igo umuraibu abarabanga se bungenene umuske Kimani Ichungwa besokire na kumwegerera umuske Charles asabona batebire iganga yaye no koneke bunango bwati Richiko na boigo koreta omorembe no bomo imiyensi ya Kenya.
We are going to become a country that has order. My friend, forget about this thing you are answering the Chief of Defense Forces and the NIS Director. Those two gentlemen are speaking from information. They are warning you, they are warning your country, they are warning your future. You are making social media arguments here and politicians speaking out here and there. My friend, the future of a country needs order. Otherwise, there is a reason why this country is in peace. We could as well easily be in the same situation with our neighbors. We are not too special. We could be sitting in a refugee camp in another country. We have to warn ourselves as a nation that we must do our things in order.
DF wajeshi ati ameongea siasa sababu amesema hata wale mnasema Ruto must go ni haki yenu ya kikatiba. Na kama mko na haki ya kusema hayo, mungoje wakati wa uchaguzi, muangalie kazi yake, mufanye uchaguzi kulingana na katiba. Naona wengine wamekasirika. CDF anaongea siasa. CDF hakuongea siasa. Alisema vile katiba inasema. Kama unataka kuondoa kiongozi kwa kiti, kiongozi yoyote hata mbunge, ungoje wakati wa uchaguzi ama ufanye recall.
Na kurwa sensemere kose sekta ya bochenu nigo bono muwaziri wa bochenu omoske adendware achore kamati yera achikorigereria emechando ere a sensemeyo ya bochenu nakone kyabuna ngokorere anene mono korigereria obotumeki na boigo guikiranirwa kwe kadi ya sha anene mono kerabarwire bakogina ase chinyagi korwaribo muwaske adwale ni gatebere nigo inseburaiwae nigara achikone kyabuna emechando ere a sensemeyo anene mono emegiro yabanyagitari ngokoranwere.
End of the holy month of Ramadan, Eid Mubarak, من العائدين ومن الفائزين, كل عام وأنتم بالخير. This is the month of peace, the month of prayers, the month of charity, and we, the Muslim community in our country and across the world, we were in a holy month. We prayed for our country, we prayed for the unity of our country. We pray that Allah eases all the challenges that our citizens and our country is facing. And I am sure going forward, you will see it. The last 10 days were more important to us as Muslims. So I wish all the Muslim brothers and sisters Eid Mubarak, min al-Aidin wa min al-Faizin. Now they have an opportunity today to go and visit the sick. They have the opportunity to go and visit the graveyards, to go and pray for our departed brothers and sisters. They have to go and visit and join their families in festivity. And On Tuesday, I'll take over as a my new docket. So I want to assure all the people of Kenya the prosperity of any nation lies in the health of its citizens. So I want to commit myself that all the challenges, from the doctors' strike to the challenges we had in Sha and Shi, to all the challenges that faces the health care, access and quality health care of our citizens, that will be my key priority, and I'm ready to work with all the stakeholders to make sure that our citizens get a universal health care system that works.
Na ekero muraiwensi ya Kenya moske Daktari William Samoei Ruto akanyereire anene wiki yiga iriko chigochaka etaro ya magendro ensemo ya North Eastern iriko rototo na boyo gochaka mirobero ya magendro orogongoro gosa asi county chigotoka ensemo ya North Semo ya Mount Kenya ni gobono murike botambe ase wizara ya bochano moske mosbati meri muthoni eso kina kuboria abantu koro enseme ya Mount Kenya kumwarigani ya muraiwense bya na maskani ekero arache ase enseme yo asemona tabire aba Kenya ni gobatagita magendro na teri siasa chinga kichi
na huzuni sana kwa sababu rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya alikuwa ametoka tu hapa Embu. Kwa tumeonyeshana aibu kubwa sana. Sisi ni wananchi na wakaaji wa dunia. Si ndio? Tunasemanga mgeni njoo, mwenyeji apone. Ndio tunauliza Kenya. Wananchi wa Kenya, they want services delivered to them. Hawataki siasa. People want delivery. Munataka hiyo SHA ya Modhoni ifanye kazi. Si ndio? Munataka ifanye kazi mashinani, munataka mahospitali zikuwe na dawa, munataka kila kitu mzuri ifanye kazi kwenu nyinyi wananchi. Kwa hivyo rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya akitembelea Embu ni baraka kwa sisi wote. Na kwa sababu huyo ndiye ako kwa kiti sasa, hata Biblia inasema yule amebarikiwa, amebarikiwa. We allow him.
Na togo chigokora magaye chinkoma gosara imensi ya Kenya buna omone bwaba na chebi no mokoro omoske David Maraga nigo arineganga yogo chikoriga ekerego kyobora iwense asobo chori bo mwaka 2027 nigo bono omoske Maraga atebire nigo agenda to gusangire ebirengerero kurasa ba Kenya kuro chinsemo imensi ya Kenya na nigo arache kuraria omosima moye amatuko arebosi asabana atebire nigo arino gosemera buna etimu era ya IPC ose yekiombe kirikyo bochoni chimbebe era chigoso bisi nigo iracha koregasi yabo boikirano.
Good morning, members of the Fourth Estate. Today we've just come here to meet the people and worship with our brothers and sisters in the Catholic Church. Yesterday we were in Migori, where we met the brothers and sisters in the Seventh-day Church, so we are here today. We are very far from elections. We will talk about those things later. We are going to. We are talking. I told you we are talking with people. It is at the end of the day, you know, the choice is the people's choice. If you asked me, I will tell you. I mean, I'm the right one. The other one will also say it's the right one. At the end of the day, it is the people who will decide. I mean. Just relax, wait. I mean, in due course, you will make up your mind yourself whether or not I'm a state project.
Is the country on the right track?
Huh?
Is the country on the right track currently?
Please, relax. Thank you very much.
Nara yokora semese Ekeonga Chinsa Isano Ibere ritkeria Jumatata senchira yo wenge Chinsa ikomi nichikwira naga yangoretera yo mona yande asenchira yo bonge boygo chenkatire Nyaboga Wilson Makori kura somona boy manyeriro Wilfred Matundra magaye kamera na boyga havira kariri na roganeta kwene kebuna chibichana mariogi boykarashire asenchira yo boykra ngenda gotwara mirogreyo mborigere borobya asemiruburiyansi ya Getembe TV ekogochira asembyo asika gitari Getambe.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale iyuerengia na woigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na woigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na woigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na woigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerungetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerungebire na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na woigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chena Roman Jinko na woigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na wigo na Green obutambe yegwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chingagicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se nyumba ya ouru complex niyo chigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe traseti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Shah Ceramics nigobago kwa a special offer bono iga asachi tile au nokugora chikaton emerongetato nigokwegwa growth kilo isato bosa gukora chikaton merongetano nigokwegwa kilo Isano na isato bosa gukora chikaton emerongo etano netato nigokwegwa kilo emerongo Ibere bosa otarigwa kanera kende size endonse Niko okoegwa ye asichi brando bego chinde chonspe chi wall tile kitairi chance na boigo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60 samange ba kresimese number 0703943972 ajirago cha aseduka ya Ibere Kansons Plaza angana quick mart Kisii opposite Mucha Place. Parariye ogokwa kumulisia Elijah Nyakundi Moindi o Better Living Getembe SDA